if the virus does get introduced into that little ecosystem, it is going to spread much more quickly.
A few day camps in Quebec have been hit by COVID-19, including this one, Charlot-l'Escargot in Boucherville on Montreal's South Shore. Public health authorities confirmed 27 children and staff members have tested positive for the virus. And epidemiologists say camps are a perfect breeding ground for COVID-19.
You have a bunch of people coming from different households coming together into one space in close contact with each other, eating, living, sleeping together, doing activities together. So there's a lot of close contact.
The outbreak here began on July 20th after a counselor and multiple children tested positive for COVID-19. Public health then stepped in, and all those who were at the camp between July 13th and July 21st have been in isolation. An epidemiological investigation was launched to trace who the 27 infected people may have exposed. Public health believe this outbreak could have given rise to other community cases and don't yet know how many.
One person can infect many other people.
At least one case of COVID-19 was reported at a Montreal hockey camp in NDG, and two siblings who contracted the virus attended two different day camps in Gatineau. And Dr. Christopher Labo says while camps carry a lot of risk, it wasn't a mistake to open them.
It's part of their social structure. So if it's important to you in that way and you're willing to face that risk and you're willing to understand it, it's all about risk mitigation.
We were willing to take that risk. And I think that they probably did all they could at the camp. They were probably very careful, but at the same time, people at home, you can't control everything.
In an online poll, 89% of parents said they didn't send their kids to camp, one responding, too risky, another saying the same teens endangering us by going clubbing are the ones working these camps, not worth it. Charlot-l'Escargot management did not respond to our request for comment, and the camp is expected to remain closed until August 7th. Dr. Julie Lozlier, Director of Public Health for Montérégie, says in a statement, the Montérégie Public Health Department is monitoring the situation closely in collaboration with the day camp management. All those identified as potentially at risk were invited to be screened, and public health contacted parents and staff to advise them of the action to be taken under the circumstances.
If someone starts to develop symptoms, can you test them quickly and can you isolate them quickly? If you can do that, you've probably gone a long way in mitigating the risk and making sure that if someone tests positive, they're not going to then infect 10 other people and cause a mini outbreak.
In Montreal, Alicia Rubertucci, City News.